Okay, hello again, everyone. So now we are in chapter 3. The title is about Venn diagrams. Okay, what is a Venn diagram? So most of the relationships between the set can be represented by means of this diagram known as Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is a representation of the relationships between a given sets. Now, the person who formulated this Venn diagram is Mr. John Venn. So that's why this diagram is named after him. Okay. So the Venn diagram is the universal set for the Venn diagram represented by a rectangle. So if you have a rectangle, that means that is the universal set. So what is the universal set? Universal set is all the set, okay, the given set. And the diagrams that are small circles or oval shapes are the subset of the universal set, meaning these are within the universal set, okay? So, a set which contains all the set under the consideration is called the Venn diagram as the universal set, as I said to you. It's always all the sets contained in your or in the given set. Okay, and it's denoted by U, okay? By letter U. So that's letter U. Sorry. Okay, by letter U. That U means universal set, okay? Okay, let's study the following Venn diagram in order to draw them this diagram independently, okay? So first you have as the as it the universal set is the rectangle, okay? And now this one, your A, for number 2, your A is inside your universal set. So that is your set A is represented by the circle, okay? Now if you have two number 3 for number 3, if you have two sets which are the subset of the universal set, your set A, this one, set A and set B, okay? So these two sets are disjoints. Why? Because they are not connected to each other. They are separated. Now, for number 4, so as we can see, your set A is the bigger circle and your set B is the smaller circle. Therefore, we can say that your B is a subset of your A because it's within your A, your B is inside your A, okay? That's how we represent subset. Now, for number 5, you see you have your A and B is on represented by the same circle. That means your A and B are equal set because they are represented by the same circle. And then for number 6, your A and B, your A and B have some common elements. So these are the common elements of your A and B. That common, the intersection between your A and B. And but your A and is not a subset of your B and B is not a subset of your A. Okay? We will understand more of this Venn diagram and when we go on with the set operation. Okay? Now let's use Venn diagram to represent the given set in our next examples. Okay, here. So let's have here example number 1. Okay, so the universal set or all the given set are the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then your set A is set of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And your set B is 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 5. Okay, technique. Let's check first if your A and B is a disjoint or they have common elements. Now here, as we can see, your A and B have common elements 2 and 3. Okay? So 2 and 3 is the same with your A and B. So meaning, sorry, 2, 3, yeah, 2 and 3. Actually, this one is wrong. Okay, sorry, I make it wrong. Okay, 2 and 3, right? Then your 5 is not a part of your A. So meaning, Your 5 must be only outside your common between A and B. And 1 and 4 is not also a part of your B. That's why it's outside the other circle. Okay? So that's how we represent. And then something is missing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What about 6? Where is your 6? 6 is not a part of your A and B, so 6 must be outside. Okay? 6 must be outside your two circles. That's why that is how we represent the given set using Venn diagram. Okay. Now, so for the exercises that I assigned to you, okay, sorry. Okay. So let's have exercise 10. Okay, make it, okay, yeah. Make it bigger, sorry. Okay. So here we have to represent your set using the Venn diagram, okay? So the universal set is the rectangle and it's represented by 1, 2, and 3 until 10. So the number, the elements is 1 to 10. And your A, okay, as I told you first, you need to check whether your A and B are disjoint or not. So do they have common elements? Let's see. Your A has 3, your A has 3, your B also has 3. 5 also have 5 here and also have 5, and that's it. Meaning they have two common elements. So meaning if I'm going to make a circle A, this will be my A, another circle will be my B. Okay, the common elements is 3 and 5. So I have to put it inside the common elements of your A and B, meaning this is both in A and both in B. Okay, then after that, oh sorry, we have also 1. I forgot 1. Okay, so 1 is should be here. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. That is the common elements between A and B. Now, what is not a part of your B in your A? So you have 7 and 9. Okay. And then for your B, that is not a part of A, you have 2, 4, and 6. Okay. Now let's count if all the elements in your universal set is here already. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't have 8, 9, and we don't have 10. So 8 and 10 must be outside your two circles. Okay? That's it. Please do the same thing with the next questions. Now let's have okay, the same. Okay, now we're done for the universal set. That's it. It's too short. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you had so much fun doing these exercises. I wish you all the best. Thank you.